Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Crossery Classics. We are back here with our 2025 Ram 3500 Limited Crew Cab Dually. And today's project is we're going to be installing some mud flaps. We picked up some mud flaps here from Dura Flap over the other side of the country in Washington. And we've used these flaps before. I really like them. They come pre-cut, pre-drilled. There's no guesswork. The way I ordered these, I ordered the extra long ones on the front and the back. I like my flaps longer, and I did order the stainless steel weights. I really like the way they look. These things are built real nice and heavy. I mean, they're super thick. And we'll get these stuff here peeled off, and we'll get these on. So we're going to install these here. It's pretty easy. I mean, you can see the holes. You got to pull a few fasteners off the back of the truck and the front of the truck and put them on. So it's pretty straightforward to give you nice detailed directions. So we're going to follow them and get these on. All right, guys. So I got one of the back flaps on here. The thing went real easy. Looks pretty nice. Changes the whole look of the truck, I think. I've always been a big mud flap fan, but happy for my dump truck triaxle heritage of having mud flaps. But I really do like them, and they are super functional. And we'll go over. So Blake's got one of his on here. How's it going, Blake?
Oh, it's going.
Awesome. So we got you can see here too, guys. I bought the extra wide on the front. I like a lot of protection there from the rock chips. Sticks out a little further, but definitely functional. And you can see here too, guys, the way these are all cut out real nice for all of the things they run into here, fender edge and stuff. So I'll come back to the back here. I'll show you how we put these on, what's all involved. So there's 3 screws you got to remove. This screw here, this one, and this one. We're going to remove them here with an 8mm socket. Trusty ratchet. Battery sounds like it's getting low on this. So we get them 3 screws out. I'm over here to the mud flap. First thing I want to do, I want to take this protective pill coat coating off. These flaps too, I want to mention, they kind of struck me by surprise. The weights are kind of like countersunk into the flaps. At first I wasn't too crazy about it because this black edge shows. But I like this because nothing's going to get in behind here, rocks or sand or whatever. I thought that was kind of a cool idea after I thought about it. So got this here. And then there's this clip we got to put on the back of this. And what this does is kind of, actually it goes right here. It hooks in behind the factory splash shield and holds the back of this in place. So we got our hardware here. Put this back on this, like this. That on, washer and a nut. Got butterfingers. So that's it, guys. So this is all we need to do to this. Gonna come over here. I put the top screw in first. Kind of easier to get to. Put this in place. Let that bite into the clip a little bit. Come down here, put our other 2 screws in. I hear Blake up there with a hand ratchet. I'm gonna power tool shame him later for that. It's not too tight. And I'll be back, our battery's dead. Alright guys, we're gonna tighten these up here. Get this over a little bit. Come back and make sure they're straight. I hate crooked mud flaps. And look good. What I do, I kind of eye them up against the edge of the tire. The tire's square, the flaps are square. Alright guys, we're gonna come around here. Blake, he got a little ahead of me. I wanted to film him putting these on. But there's Blake right there. Let's see.
Is it crooked?
Looks pretty good there, guy.
Okay.
So these ones here were a little different. Blake, you can explain these ones here. Get the camera down here.
What's up?
So explain to them what you had to remove.
You take out this one, and this one, and there's one above it that you don't take out.
That's how the back was.
And then you put it on. You put that one on, and then you slip it over this inner wheel well, and then you put the little thing on the back, and then you put the screw with a washer and then a nut on, and that's it.
Yeah guys, pretty simple. So get these buttoned up and we'll be back with a final update here. Alright guys, so we got these all on. Don't mind a little bit of dirt on the truck here. That was from being transported. But really happy how these come out. There's Blake over there flexing his ratchet. So got these all done guys, and we're really happy. It changes the look of the truck, I think, and they are very functional. Hang nice and low here in the back, the way I like it. Front ones are sticking out enough to catch stuff that you don't want slung over the back of the bed. This area back here is a pretty bad area for catching stuff. They put this protective coating on there that, oh, it's like a big sticker there. It helped. Yeah, chip. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Blake. Chip guard. Could not think of that for the life of me. But anyway, guys, hope you like this video here. As always, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, asking questions, and commenting. We'll catch you later. See ya.